Now we're going to multiply positive and negative decimals. The nice part about multiplying positive and negative decimals is because the decimal points do not have to be lined up. They don't need to be lined up. You're more than welcome to, but you do not have to. And you're going to multiply like normal, and then you count how many digits are after the decimal point, and then you move it that many places starting at the left, and then you follow the rules for the integers. Same signs answer positive, different signs answer negative. So now that I've quickly gone through that, let's try it. So we're going to multiply negative 1.7 times negative 9.21. Don't worry about the signs. Now, because of the commutative property of of multiplication, I like to put the number that has more digits on top, but if you want to put the 1.7 there, go ahead, or if you have a different way that you like to multiply, go ahead, but this is just the way that I learned and I'm comfortable with. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, carry the 1, 7 times 9 is 63, plus 1 is 64. 0 placeholder. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 9 is 9. Add. 7 plus 0 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 9 is 15. Starting at the right, that's where the decimal is, we have to move it 2 spots for the 2 and the 1 spot for the 7, meaning you are moving the decimal point 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. And we end up with 15.657. Now let's go back to our rules for determining if it's positive or negative. We notice that 1.7 is negative and 9.21 is negative. Therefore, the signs are the same, so your answer is positive. The answer is positive 15.657. Going on to the second one, negative 9.43 times 5. Again, I like to put the number that has more digits on top, just because for me the multiplication is easier. So we multiply 5 times 3 and get 15, carry the 1, write the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2 after writing the 0. And 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 is 47. Now we know we're going to have to move the decimal 2 spaces for the 4 and the 3, no spaces for after the 5, so we know we're moving it 2 spaces. So we move it 1, 2, and we get 47.05. Now let's look at our rules for negatives to determine, rules for integers to determine if the answer is going to be positive or negative. When we look at it, 9.43 is negative, 5 is positive. The signs are different, so that means our answer is negative. So negative 9.43 times 5 is negative 47.05.